Planning Man here. I just want to show you guys something here. Stretch belt removal. Try to get the light for you guys good. Stretch belt removal on a 5.0 Mustang Coyote 2016. As you see here, I got my 18 mil my breaker bar, and I'm using a pry bar here with the hook. And what I found to work is that the belt is already starting to walk off. Get back right there. Hopefully this is a good angle. You can see everything. So what I'm going to do is drop the light. Alright, so what I find is best is to put the lip, or put the tip where it curves in, put that widthwise of the belt. And you do this by yourself, and then you just hold it with your thumb. Hold it with your thumb. And you just continue to crank. You want to go to the left. Don't eat it. Yeah. Sorry about that. And then you just keep on going. Mind your face in case it tries to do something crazy. And that's it. Easy peasy, 10 G's easy. Alright, YouTube.